Let's start with elasticity of demand. Okay. Now, first of all, there are three types of elasticity. Types of elasticity is price, income, and cross. Now, three types of elasticity are price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity of demand. First type is price elasticity. Now, what is price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity of demand means percentage change in quantity demanded to a percentage change in price. Percentage change in demand to a percentage change in price is known as price elasticity of demand. Okay? Now, price elasticity of demand are of five types of price elasticity. First is perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, unitary, elastic, and inelastic. Okay. Now, elasticity of demand are of three types: price, income, and cross. And price elasticity are of five types: perfectly elastic, unitary, elastic, and inelastic. Now, what is perfectly elastic demand? Perfectly elastic demand means where price remains the same whether quantity demand increases or decreases. Price will remain the same whether demand increases or decreases. That is known as perfectly elastic. So its graph will be price, quantity. Price will remain the same whether its demand increase or decrease. That is known as perfectly elastic, and its shape is horizontal. Okay, and the formula of perfectly elastic is EP is equal to infinity. Why it is infinity? Because if price remains the same by 10 and quantity demanded increases from 10 to 20, demand increases, formula is percentage change in demand upon percentage change in price. There is a change in demand of 10 and there is no change in price. So 10 upon 0 is infinity. So EP will be infinity of perfectly elastic. Then you have perfectly inelastic, where price increases or decreases, demand will remain constant. That is known as perfectly inelastic. Demand will remain the same, quantity remains the same whether price increase or decrease. And its shape is vertical, price and quantity. So what is perfectly elastic? Where price increases or decreases but demand remains the same. And formula of perfectly elastic is perfectly inelastic is 0. Why it is 0? Because in this case price increases and demand remains the same. So change in demand is 0 and change in price is 10. So formula will be 0 upon 10 will be 0. So EP will be equal to 0. This is known as perfectly inelastic demand. Then you have unitary. Unitary means percentage change in quantity demand is equal to percentage change in price. There will be an equal change in demand and price. Okay, percentage change in demand is equal to percentage change in price. So what will be the graph of unitary? Unitary mein graph will be, suppose price increases from 10 to 20 and demand falls from 20 to 10. So there will be a change in demand of 10 and there will be a change in price of 10. So this will be 1. There will be a equal change, right? So EP will be, EP is equal to 1. So what will be the graph of unitary? Price 10, 20, quantity demand 10, 20. At 10 price, quantity demand is 20, and at 20 price, quantity demand is 10. So demand curve will be downward sloping. Curve is known as rectangular hyperbola. Price, quantity. This is your unitary demand. Okay, unitary means percentage change in demand is equal to percentage change in price. There will be a equal change in demand and price. Understood? Next is elastic. Elastic means percentage change in demand is more than percentage change in price. In this case, demand is more than price, which means that if demand increases by 10 and price falls by 5 units. Okay? So change in demand is 10 and change in price is 5. So 10 upon 5 will be 2. So it is more than 1. It is more than 1. The formula will be EP is more than 1. Understood? The formula of calculating elastic will be EP is more than 1. So in this case, graph will be X origin Y 5, 10, 10, 20. At 5 rupees 20 is demanded, and at 10 rupees 10 is demanded. This will be the curve which shows flat. Demand is flat. That means demand, change in demand is more than change in price. If price is increasing by changing by 5, so demand is changing by 10 units. Okay, so that means EP is more than 1. Last one is inelastic, which means percentage change in quantity demand is less than percentage change in price. Just opposite of elastic, which where demand is less than price. Demand is less than price means now there is a less change in demand and more change in price. Now price changes by 10 and demand changes by 5. So that will be 0.5, which shows that EP is less than 1. 0.5, which shows that EP is less than 1. Now in this case, graph will be just opposite of elastic. See. $20, $30, $5, $10. At 20, 10 is demand and 30 पे 5 demand. So this will be a demand curve which is showing steeper. This is a case of steeper. Okay. Now these are what? These are the 5 price elasticity of demand. Perfectly elastic, price constant, demand increase or decrease, infinity. Perfectly inelastic, price increase or decrease, demand constant, 0. Unitary, change in demand is equal to change in price, 1. Elastic, percentage in demand is more than percentage in price, that is greater than 1. And inelastic, change in demand is less than change in price, less than. Understood? That is inelastic. So these are the 5 price elasticity of demand. Understood? Any problem? Also possible. Next video.